Right guys, you're gonna have to bear with me a bit because my voice has gone missing. So although I sound utterly ridiculous, I feel completely fine. But we got back from the Lamma show last night and I don't have a voice left. So yeah, off to Lamma yesterday, had a really good time. Met loads of you guys. It's the busiest it's ever been for people coming up saying hello and wanting pictures and whatever. Whether or not that's because I was walking around with Cowley Hill Will or not, I don't know. No, we had a great time with Will, Ed, and we actually met my uncle and auntie and my cousin there as well, and my cousin's little girl. So really good day out. If you've never been to Lamma, I highly recommend it. It is great fun. I just walked over to one of our silage pits because before I show you the little highlights from Lamma, for the past couple of weeks we've been losing a little bit of milk off the cows to the point where we've got probably down to losing about 2 litres a cow. In the last three weeks or so, and we think it is because of this. So this is rapeseed meal, which is a very good source of protein in a cow's diet. And those of you who've watched the video remember that we actually clamp our maize with rapeseed. So you can see there's a line of it there in the pit, all the way through, a bit of a layer. So that is to save having it tipped on the floor like that, or have to have it in a silo or whatever. Yeah, we've been noticing this small reduction in milk over time. It's going on and on and on. Now, some of that will be stage of lactation, and also the fact that a lot of the cows are now back in calve. They'll naturally drop their milk a little bit, but it's really important that we get the cows milking well when they're turned out, so that they sort of keep that level when they go onto fresh grass. Now, if we come around to this pit, we've opened up this pit of maize, which again you'll have seen in the last video. There's a lot of maize in this pit. You can sort of see here, there's rape there, but then it ran out. So there's a fair bit of maize going into the diet that's not got rape in it. Maize is full of starch, so needs to be balanced with protein. Now, I'm not quite sure what happened, but there is a lot of rape on the bottom there. You'll have to ask telehandler driver Rob about that one. But essentially what we think, after speaking to one of the farm consultants that comes out, is that we are ever so slightly deficient on protein in the diet. And we can see that as well from milk test results. The urea level in the milk has been dropping steadily, and the urea level in the milk is a good indication of whether or not the cows are getting enough protein. I just came over because I thought this heifer had a head stock, but she doesn't. Good. And so the decision was made to buy 18 tons of rape. We put Rich under a bit of pressure. John, the consultant, said, I think we need to buy a load of rape. We sat around the dinner table and Rich went, right. And then there was like a standoff between Rob and Rich. Rob's like, I don't know if I want to. Rich is like, well, I'm doing it. So Rich went off and just bought it. He rang up Mole Valley at midday, 12 o'clock. And by 4 o'clock it was here on the floor. So that's pretty good service. So anyway, now what we have to do, instead of just shoveling in the grass and maize from this pit, and also the grass from this pit that's got the wheat in, usually that's all just done with a shear grab. So Rob now has to put the bucket on to shovel in about 520, I want to get the number right, no, 540 kilos of rape every morning, because we feed everything in the morning. Sorry guys, I'm struggling with my voice here a bit. I'm trying to keep it going. I sound like a 14-year-old going through that stage of their life again. Anyway, the cows are still tucking in, absolutely proper. There's no chop off in intakes or appetite, which is good. Cows are waiting there to come out for milking. They go milking in about a quarter of an hour or so. That is the plan. Now the milk was picked up yesterday, and on the milk ticket we had about a 200 litre uptake in milk. Now, some of that can just be a very slight difference in milking time over the 4 milkings, but we'll see as the next sort of week or two goes on. It's 1.5 kilos per cow per day we're adding to the ration. Hopefully that will bring the milk back up a bit. And then when we turn them out, they'll sort of hopefully stay levelish before they really start to drop off in the early summer for drying off. But yeah, Juno's just up there pushing in, so the cows have all come up to have a bit of a feed. It is amazing how that works. He goes along and beeps and all the cows come out. Anyway, you can have a look at some Lamma highlights. We had a really good show. Some of the highlights to Parry stand, both myself and Will do some work with Tapari, so always good to go and see Giles and the guys there and what they're doing. They've released a new dosing gun for vaccination for sheep and potentially also other markets as well, which is really cool. It's definitely going to be a good product for them. Also bumped into James from Machinery Nation. Good to have a catch up with him. The last time I saw him was actually Lamma show last year, and just like loads of you guys as well. And I had a load of messages off lots of people saying, oh, we saw you but didn't come and say hello. If you see us at a show, come and say hi. We're not going to like tear your head off, so we're friendly. But yeah, have a look at some Lamma highlights. Hope you enjoy it. Right, so we know where we are later. Lamma show. Oh. Well, I was going to film Will on the screen and then film him there. It'd be like one of them.
It's 2 for the price of 1. Filming it already.
Well, because Ed told me he's on next. And this chap turned up.
Yeah, Ed might be lying.
Ed's lying to make friends.
Celebrity hunting. Who is Ed?
Who is Ed?
Yeah,
So is he next, Ed?
Am I next? I don't think.
Oh, the truth comes out.
When we were studying watching it yesterday,
I'm pretty sure
there was a guy.
Oh, was it this baler? Because it was a V6, this is a V8. You might be right.
Is it now? Is he next?
Yeah, but I don't.
Cute.
What do you mean? Oh,
Did you see all them little lined up?
Oh, it's still not. But he's on to rappers now, so I reckon you'll be after the orbital.
We came over just after I was on the screen.
Yeah, I suppose so. Thank you.
They've obviously took it out because they didn't like me. We were standing for half an hour.
And that's not good. Did you see his jeans? And his jeans were all ripped, like here.
The farmer jeans.
The gusset. Oh, that guy.
It's realistic, Ben.
Yeah. He could catch himself in a PTO.
This is the whole video. He's just going to part like...
Yeah.
We're waiting for Will's big moment on the screen. Right, he must be after this bait, surely.
He used to take these videos.
Here we
when
go.
I'm on screen.
Come on, Ed. That's a big moment.
How do you know it's you?
Oh, there he is.
Let me see. I'm on the screen. It's me. Oh, I need to get closer. Oh, that'll do.
Actually, you have to wait
Get
over
under,
again.
Get closer,
right
get
underneath
closer. Done?
Oh.
Thank you.
Yeah, there's actually somebody in there. Ed.
What did he say?
I said there's somebody in there. And he said there's a Keir Starmer and Rachel Reeves. That's on everything now, isn't it? It's variable.
It's the farming motto.
I pulled the tube.
Yeah, bad things.
Yeah.
You lose your air, I suppose.
Oh, yeah.
This is all slurry. We have a Mass Tech triple bar.
I'm surprised people aren't just giving out the leftover chocolate.
Exactly that. But we'll drive it home. Go on, get on.
You should have. Right, you can bring it now. If you did that first, they'd probably be laughing.
Yeah, that's it.
They're like, they're fed up, they've been it.
She's like, why would you want to sit on?
Do what you want.
The fence.
See, we've not been up here at all.
Have we not?
No. Ed, you're on first name terms, aren't you?
These are good. You've got them, haven't you?
No, I haven't. Well, you found him now, look, he's here. He's going home.
What is it?
They're like mounts for tractors and things. Put your phone on.
Put your GoPro on.
Oh, yeah.
It's not metal though, is it?
Yeah. It's like take the shop out.
No.
He's been talked into giving his email address.
You're not hungry?
I'm not like starving.
I'm quite hungry
Are you
now.
hungry?
Yeah.
Everyone's gone home now, it's like the end of the day. It's lovely, it's so quiet. This is good. They actually put their prices on the machine now.
You should do like a Q&A.
We did a podcast.
No, yeah, but like
Oh,
now.
that wasn't
like
a Q&A,
Lamma.
was it?
Like
Yeah, we'll
if
do it
people
for
were to
10.
ask questions, what would they ask?
Yeah, we'll just
They'd
go
be
and
like-
sit on the stand and pretend we got asked.
Yeah.
Pretend it's a crowd.
Is that George Saunders, I suppose? It is, yeah.
It's like, yeah, you about 50 rows back.
Yeah, BBC.
Yeah. Sky, just take your question now. And just put like 5 microphones around the front of us.
Oh, we've left Ed.
Oh, who catches that?
He'll see. I haven't seen any local people. I saw a load yesterday.
This is why you come on Thursday, because like you can actually get around it and see stuff.
So yesterday obviously was the first day, so that was the busiest day because it's the first day.
I don't think these ever took off, did they?
People are here for a social too.
Yeah.
As we'll tell you after getting home, didn't it? That thing is huge. Hello! Inside the trains day. Sit.
Get this in.
Look at this. This is what we want, Rob.
It's no roof.
Well, yeah, you get a canvas that goes on the top.
Are they
of
the
it.
ones that are bright
Aussie
yellow?
spec, isn't it?
Yeah. I guess
they-
that slides down, does it?
Do you think they'd load well in this or not?
Well, we've got parlour mats like this, so
Yeah.
they're used to seeing
Yeah, but it's
them.
breaking,
Right.
look. You rub your foot and it's breaking apart.
Stop breaking it, you have to pay for it. I guess this slides, does it?
Sponsorship deal, so you don't want to be
Yeah.
slagging the companies off.
Yeah, Roland are going to do us a hell of a deal on
Yeah,
this.
I think if they improve their flooring, you might get a sale.
How many adult
this has been
dairy
a
cattle do you reckon you're getting here?
It's been outside, hasn't it?
How many cattle do you reckon you're getting here? I reckon you get 9.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
6, 7, 8.
8.
I reckon 8. Depends on.
And then like
Depends how big they are.
your divisional gate slides along on a rail. Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe a bit more. I'm not. You fit.
Nah, you probably
If they
won't
go
fit.
this way, you probably
I bet you
get
fit
3
maybe
wide.
40 sheep. Maybe not.
40 sheep?
How long is it? 20 foot?
I'd say so, yeah.
Would your sheep not try and jump on that?
Yeah.
What does it matter if they do?
Well, just...
Could you imagine if you're up to sawing this and let the sheep out?
Yeah, I don't know.
Can't jump on there, can't jump out.
Rob's after one,
they
but I
go
don't think
up
he's
that
after that
step,
sort of
though?
thing. I don't know.
16 years of age must be off-site.
Offside.
We're 16, it's okay.
We're older than 16, it's fine. We're being kicked out. The show has ended. I think everyone's packing up. We haven't really filmed hardly anything, but there's a big forager. Hey?
You haven't seen Claire? Or have you?
I haven't, no, I haven't seen Claire.
Maybe she'll be here today.
She said she would
You
be.
didn't stay last night. I'm pretty sure I said that.
It's not a real bell.
No, it's not. In here?
3 beacons.
Pretty cramped. They were giving all like yellow. And there's a young lad, sorry, his name's Jacob. All 3 beacons.
I want a 3 beacon. Have to a beacon?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, I highly recommend coming to Lamma as it's closing. It's the best time to go around. There's no one in the way. You can look at everything. I mean, they say they're kicking you out, but they're not really kicking you out, are they?
It is a good idea what they do where you have all your stuff with the barcode, so as you run out, you scan the bar.
it. Well, at Rob's, we have a bucket with a miscellaneous amounts of nuts, washers, bolts that have all been used once at least in their life somewhere.
It sounds much like it though. But we have many buckets with different things.
Yes.
And then my brother's got his own bit packed away that no one's allowed.
No one's
to
allowed
get
that. I want that. I want to take that home.
What, the cow?
I want the cow. Yeah.
Oh, we want the cow.
Yeah, I want the cow.
Not the
would be
machine.
fun.
Not the machine. You just want the cow.
Yeah. Back of the Stuart trailer. Here you are. We had a look at this one earlier as well. You can get this one. Ed's gone again.
Again, he's gone. He's gone.
He is a man of many
Mystery.
different inquiries. So this has got the sheep decks on it. Very fancy hydraulic system, but you can get obviously just a cattle box.
I found out.
You found him?
We're hiding.
Is there stuff in there?
This was quite reasonably priced as well, I think.
Yeah, was it 20 quid? 20 quid? 10k?
Yeah. For the cattle version, this is 20 grand. Hey?
Someone's left their lanyard in the
Oh,
corner.
oh no. Sorry, we're leaving, don't worry. Yeah. They've got to make sure there's no one in there before they shut the door.
They dropped me off at the car, you're right.
Tractors, they have to go from the outside and work their way in. If you're not going to bring in like a tractor out into the middle to put
Oh, it must be a logistical nightmare, isn't it?
Yeah, go driving around there.
It's like a mad rush, isn't it?
They'd have to take down all this
Oh, you
first.
can't even get out, they shut the doors.
That's like tens of thousands.
Alright.
I mean, yeah, a pitch like that would be lots of money. You're in hall 18. Do you reckon we can sneak right down to the end?
Yeah. Go up in the window.
Yeah, we've got a bit of time.
Is that what you want to look at? Is it New Holland?
Yeah.
He just wants to get past the JCB stand again.
Is that what he wants? Is it?
Yeah.
He's a JCB man at heart. Well, he is
I didn't
actually.
see any of the free bags this year.
No.
They've got them all with them.
They've probably got loads there.
What, the JCB bags?
Yeah.
Oh, they're hundreds.
Yeah, no, but I couldn't see them.
We got a lovely McHale hat, courtesy of Will,
Yeah.
the influencer that he is.
I've got
Oh, look, there's
the
a
audience
thing.
you do.
There's one of those things.
What's
The
that?
big, like,
Unimog.
thing.
Unimog.
Yeah.
Big things.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done.
The
Nice.
big thing.
We knew what you meant. It's one of them big things. Here's the famous JCB stand. Oh, Ed, are you on here?
No, I'm not. I'm not in the
It
video.
is Ed.
It's Ed!
That's you. Look, stand there. Look, it's you. You grew hair.
Yeah, I got my good side.
Now he's taking photos.
That's my type of machine, man.
You like that one? I think they're awesome. So.
That woman is in control.
Who's that?
In the pink.
She's ordering people around.
Quick, go to the right, and then we'll do a loop.
Abs, go right. Abs, abs.
One last loop. Oh, look at you.
She's like proper saying, go to the exit, go to the exit. We're going to get kicked out any second.
Yeah, no, I feel like there's going to be like security.
We'll go around this little loop here, shall we? And then that's on the way.
Oh, what's this?
Attention please. Will all visitors please make your way to the closest exit. The show is now closed and power will be switched off to the stands at 5 p.m.
They've got 18 minutes yet.
Power to the stands will be switched off at 5 p.m.
What's the tubey stand?
To the stands.
Oh.
They're going to switch off the power to the stands.
It's very threatening, this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get out my show.
The lights are going out.
I'm not coming
You
back to
find out
Birmingham.
there's just a woman in a box in the corner
Yeah.
watching everyone.
Well, we had a good day, team. That's your second day.
Yeah, very good, very good. Less alcoholic day.
Yes. It's a bit of a detox. Go home and have a nap on the train now, Ed.
Yep, definitely.
Yeah, we do not want to miss our stop.
Again.
We'll be calling you later, we're all in crew.
Yes. Right, so I hope you enjoyed the few little highlights we have from Lamma. I didn't do lots of filming. I actually waited until we were nearly on the way out the show to get the camera out. And then we were sort of being actively pushed out of the show, so we definitely stayed till the end. Anyway, it's nearly milking time here, so just getting the wheeler set up. I probably ought to put the foot bath up. Completely forgot about that. I better do that quick. One job next week is the rubber needs replacing on that scrape again. I'm assuming it's the sand that just makes it burn through rubbers because it's obviously quite abrasive on the floor, dragging the slurry everywhere. Also next week, freeze brand in the heifers, so those guys over there. Hopefully the new generator's turning up, and I'm sure there'll be lots of other stuff going on. And then I have a week off after that, so hopefully my voice will come back before next week so I can talk to you properly. That would be cool. So yeah, that is today's video. So hopefully next week I'll have my voice back so I can talk to you properly. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks again if you came and said hello at Lamma. Too many of you to remember, but had a great time. We'll definitely be going again next year. And hopefully a few more shows this year as well. Keep liking, keep subscribing, keep commenting, and we'll see you guys on another video very soon. Cheerio.
Like a drug that